Today I'll be showing you how to hack Crab Game. So click the link in the description, join my Discord Crab Game hack, click the link, download, drag the file onto your desktop, create a new folder. Now click Octopus, weapon. Now drag all these files into the new folder. Open up Steam, manage, browse local files. Now copy all of this into your Steam Crab Game. Wait for it to be done. Open up Steam, launch Crab Game so it downloads into the Crab Game. Okay, click exit. Now on the Steam Crab Game, weapon X, plugins, and copy this octopus file into here. Now open up Crab Game again. Here you can see Octopus God. I'm going to start a new game. F1 to open and close. Here all the stuff. F to fly. You can wall clip. Guns. Anything you want. And lots of other stuff like chat spam. So yeah, that's everything. And there will be a my Discord server. So like, subscribe, and peace.